Bakit sila successful? Ako hindi. Naitanong mo na ba yan? At alam mo ba kung anong sagot? Hindi dahil swerte lang sila. Hindi rin dahil special sila. They just kept showing up. Success is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice. At yung isa pang hindi madalas nasasabi, love of what you do. Kasi ganito yan, kahit gaano ka kahusay, kung ayaw mo sa ginagawa mo, mauubos ka, mapapagod ka, susuko ka. But when you love it, kahit mahirap, you find a way. Kahit mabagal ang progress, you keep going. So kung hindi ka pa nasa love it stage, that's okay. You can learn to love it. Start with the small wins. Notice when something clicks. Build from there. Success doesn't fall from the sky. It grows from the ground. From what you plant every single day. Kaya magtanim ka lang at alagaan mo. Someday, you'll harvest something worth it. Ayos?